According to the United States Department of Agriculture, 3.8 million tons of orange peels go to waste each year. Unsurprisingly, there is no simple solution to disposing of all these peels. Juice makers pay a tipping fee at the landfill, and orange peels used as fertilizers can acidify soil, thereby affecting soil productivity. In the past year, Canadians consumed 83,000 metric tons of orange juice. That's the same weight as 638 CN Towers. As such, we contribute to this global issue. Envirot Mount Allison is diligently working on a green, sustainable solution to this economic and environmental waste problem.
Envirot is developing an environmentally friendly product that seeks to combine orange peel waste with an additional renewable resource to create a material that can be used to manufacture a wide range of products, from durable particle boards to single-use consumer products. Typically, particle boards are made from trees and frequently contain the dangerous chemical formaldehyde, which over time is released into the air, causing adverse health effects such as headaches, throat irritation, and the daily need for asthmatic medication. To alleviate this problem, Envirot is developing a fantastic alternative for particle and press boards using our orange peel technology.
While our process is being developed in New Brunswick, the intention is to implement production in an area close to a company that uses citrus fruits. With our project idea, we estimate that initially 100 tons of orange peel waste can be diverted every day to produce 50,000 standard-sized Envirot cupboards per month. This initial production would allow for over 24,000 tons of orange peels to be diverted from landfills each year. We are still in the process of costing out our Envirot particle board, but believe it to have a competitive price. As a business, we aim to work with orange juice makers to recover these orange peels and market our project to construction companies across Canada.
It is estimated that after our process has been fully developed, Envirot will create 2 full-time jobs in business operations and management, 2 full-time jobs in manufacturing, and 1 part-time job in transportation. As the enterprise grows, so will the number of jobs and wages. This will cause a reduction in the unemployment rate in New Brunswick.
Next, on to our second project, textbook osmosis. According to Statistics Canada, the average university student with a bachelor's degree has a debt of $28,000. In relation, the average post-secondary student in Canada spends about $500 to $1,000 in textbooks and course materials each semester. Research by the Canadian Federation of Students shows that textbooks contribute to about 14 to 29% of student debt after graduation.
We at Enectas Mount Allison present to you Textbook Osmosis. Textbook Osmosis was created in 2016 with a multifaceted approach to fulfill 2 needs: the lack of access to educational resources and eliminating textbook waste. After conducting a widespread survey among students on campus, we found that 46% of students have struggled to pay for books because of their financial status. Each year, university students are required to purchase the newest version of their textbook, leaving students with textbooks from their past years that cannot be resold. As a result, thousands of textbooks are thrown away annually. This ties back to contributing to Canada's total waste.
To recycle the thousands of books that are being generated by Mount Allison students, we created donation boxes and placed them in strategic locations on campus where students can donate their used and outdated books. We then sorted these books to find out which can be repurposed or recycled.
Last year, we made $8,400 from reselling textbooks to students, the Enectas Project Accelerators from Northbridge, and the TD Ignite grant. Through this monetary support, we found a developer from Bell Canada to coach and mentor 2 Mount Allison students to create a software application. We also plan to license the application to other undergraduate and postgraduate institutions.
This year, Textbook Osmosis donated a total of $1,000 of its revenue to 2 nonprofit organizations.
Together, we created 5 new part-time jobs and generated $891 in revenue.
Together, we exposed 17 people to a viable entrepreneurial career and directly impacted 8 people.
Together, we can work towards an equitable future.
Together we can.